brain is the control center of the body because it is the part of the brain that receives messages, interprets them, and then responds to them by enabling us to move, speak, show emotion, and controls automatic functions such as heart rate, breathing, sweating, and many more. This is a shortened description of the complex function of the brain and the structures it uses to perform them. The brainstem connects the brain to the spinal cord and consists of the midbrain, pons, and medulla oblongata, which controls consciousness and vital functions such as breathing, blood pressure, and pulse rate. The cerebellum is rounded around the brainstem. It controls reflexive memory and controls muscle coordination, balance, and voluntary movements. In addition, its functions include controlling timing of movement, posture, and pattern-based learning. The cerebral cortex, the most prominent area of the brain, is where most thinking processes occur. The cortex is split into 4 lobes. The frontal lobe controls emotion, motivation, social functioning, and expression of behavior, voluntary movement, and executive functions such as initiation, planning, thought organization, and decision-making. The temporal lobe controls memory, receptive language, sequencing, and musical awareness, as well as face recognition. Damage to this lobe can cause the inability to recognize surroundings as well as other people. The parietal lobe controls sensation, academic skills such as reading, hearing, and awareness of spatial relationships. It does this by integrating information that is fed in by our senses into a picture of the world. The occipital lobe controls visual perception and is strangely located in an area of the brain that is farthest away from the eyes. The cortex is further divided into 2 halves, or hemispheres. The dominant hemisphere, usually the left, controls the verbal functions such as speaking, writing, reading, and calculating. The right hemisphere controls functions that are more visual in nature, such as memory, drawing, or copying. And that is a compacted edition of the functions of the brain.